Good morning, listeners. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. As we gear up for the first full trading week of November, there's an unmistakable buzz in the air. So, what's cooking in the stock market kitchen? Well, we're looking to keep the recent rally rolling. Now, a hot plate of corporate earnings reports is coming our way, with Disney serving as the week's main course. But don't forget, we've also got Uber, Rivian, Occidental Petroleum, and Warner Brothers Discovery adding flavor to the mix. While our economic calendar seems a bit relaxed this week, all eyes are set on the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment come Friday. Remember, this is a monthly survey of how consumers feel about the economy, personal finances, business conditions, and buying conditions. Now let's talk about the stock market. Well, stocks are bouncing off their best week in a year, thanks to growing confidence that maybe, just maybe, the Fed's rate hikes are taking a breather. Last week was like a financial fiesta with the Dow Jones, Standard & Poor's 500, and Nasdaq showing off gains that we haven't seen in all of 2023. The jobs report gave us a bit of a reality check, though. Job growth in October wasn't as hot as expected, and unemployment crept up to its highest since early last year. But hey, according to the Fed, this cool down could be the secret sauce to dialing back inflation. Speaking of the Fed, Chair Jerome Powell kept us on our toes. Last week, he didn't promise a halt to rate hikes, but he also didn't rule it out. The markets are betting big on a pause, though, with a 95% chance of no rate raises at the next meetup in December. So what about Disney? Well, they're about to unveil their earnings after Wednesday's closing bell. Investors are super curious about Disney's new business segments and any fresh news on ESPN and Disney+. Despite the earnings season giving us better than expected numbers, the market had its eyes elsewhere, mainly on bond yields and rate hike jitters. But now, with yields taking a dip, the mood is shifting. We've got a reminder that, hey, stocks can still be a winning game, even when interest rates play hardball. In this market climate, the usual playbook might not apply, but that doesn't mean we're out of moves. It's all about staying sharp and ready for the next opportunity. So that's it for today, guys. We'll catch you tomorrow morning with a brand new episode of Capital Markets Quickie. This is Endrit signing off and wishing you all a happy week.